Okay, one of the issues I wanted to talk about today was that a number of you are not drawing box plots accurately yet. So I've given an example here with a minimum of 8, a lower quartile of 10, and so on. And the first point I want you all to notice is that my scale is accurate and even, so I've gone up in 2s. Now, one issue that a number of you have is that, for example, you often skip here, so you may have one square, so you might go 0, 2, 4, 6, and that's a problem because that's not even. So just see how I've got an even number of squares between each number that I've written, and that's really important. The second thing is that I've marked each value, so for example the minimum at 8 here, and then the lower quartile at 10, and so on. Notice I've used a ruler and a pencil for drawing, which is something a lot of you don't do, and if in an exam you don't do that and you make a mistake, you're really going to panic, so avoid that. So the lower quartile, the median and the upper quartile together, they make the box, and then your maximum and your minimum go on the ends, and you join the straight line through the middle. A lot of you are drawing through your line through the middle of the box, and that doesn't happen. Okay, so just make sure it goes from the minimum to the lower quartile and from the upper quartile to the maximum. So just to see if you've understood exactly what I've been asking you to do, there's 2 questions here I'd like you to have a go at. So number 1 over here, pause the video, see if you can draw a box plot for that information. Something to note up here again is actually I've started from 0 here, but don't feel that you have to start from 0. Don't worry about that. So if on this question you think it's not appropriate, then don't start from 0, but just make sure your scale is evenly spaced. As an extension question, I've given you some other numbers here, and you'll notice I haven't given you, for example, the minimum, so you have to think about how you work that out. So try those in your book and give me some feedback on the class forum about any questions you've still got.